Malaysia Distributors, great news for you! Under Budget 2023, the Government of Malaysia is offering PMKS Digitalization Grant to encourage SMEs to adopt digital transformation to grow their businesses. If you are running the business like FMCG, manufacturing, distribution, F&B, roadshow or merchandising agency, and struggle with the challenges in your sales and operations due to manual processes, don't worry! Just act fast and grab the chance to claim a 50% matching grant that up to 5,000 ringgit. By subscribing to DATANORY SFA to increase your Salesforce productivity and sales revenue. DATANORY SFA is a Salesforce Automation Solutions which helps your sales team to be more efficient and get rid of manual workflow like filling up sales order form during order taking, keeping inventory books, managing daily sale routes across multiple outlets and salespersons, delayed sales process communication through text message, and poor tracking of sales performance. DATANORY SFA also allows salesperson to provide retail customers with the most valuable market insights to suggest the retail customers on replenishing inventory in optimal quantities to achieve higher sales profits. Hurry up! Manufacturers and distributors, if your sales team more than 10 to 20 salesperson, don't miss out this golden opportunity to apply the GDPM grant up to 5,000 ringgit and employ the smart mobile sales system to manage your sales team and customers to grow your business. Check out your eligibility for the 5,000 ringgit matching grants and learn more about DATANORY SFA now.